2026 is another new year for you to literally use AI to literally spot crypto and then get some signals from arbitrage and end up making or getting the same amount of figures right here in your crypto wallet or in whatever wallet that you are using right here. Okay, so now this particular method is just for you to be using AI, which is artificial intelligence, to literally spot cryptocurrency, just as I spot this specific cryptocurrency right here called MNT right here, and I literally go ahead and sell it out in the other cryptocurrency exchanger, which is CoinS right here. So that is exactly what I literally want to show you right here in this particular video right now. Okay, so how can you get access to this particular AI, which is artificial intelligence, that can literally let you spot cryptocurrency arbitrage? So that's what actually brings us to this particular arbitrage scanner. So arbitrage scanner is a cryptocurrency AI tools that can enable anybody at all to literally spot a cryptocurrency that is selling at a lower price and then sell it at a higher price and make profit for itself. Now I'll share with you this specific cryptocurrency arbitrage right here so that you too can actually go ahead and follow this particular method so that you can make sure you get some particular token right here. You know, this particular token right now, which is XKM right here, it is selling on Gate.io at this price and it is selling on KuCoin at this price. So now every particular 30 seconds right here, I literally set this particular arbitrage scanner to be reloading every 30 seconds right here. Okay, if you literally want to get this particular arbitrage scanner, go ahead on the video description, click on the link right there. You can actually access this. It is free of charge for like 1 day. Yes, if you use my promo code or if you use the link on the video description, you get free, which is 1 month free plan. Okay, now just go straight to this particular arbitrage scanner, spot any particular cryptocurrency pair just by clicking on this side right here, then click on arbitrage scanner right here, then just go ahead and select template and make sure you select the already made template that are also available right here, just like top 300 coin. Okay, so this particular templates will enable you to see all the particular cryptocurrency right here on this particular arbitrage scanner so that you can buy low and then sell high in the other cryptocurrency exchanger. Okay, so I use a particular AI to spot this particular cryptocurrency on my Bybit right here, which is MNT. Now I literally go ahead and purchase this particular 500 USDT right here, but before I literally do all this, let me make you understand that this particular tutorial is just for educational purpose, not a financial advice. You might literally see more than or lesser than. Okay, so this particular tutorial is not guaranteeing you that yes, you will literally make enough money or you will even make money at all. Probably just literally know that cryptocurrency is volatile, so it's up and down, it is risk. Okay, so I'm not responsible for all your losses or your gain right here. Note that. Okay, so I'm using my personal funds right here. So with that, I will be simulating everything right here. Okay, so let's just simulate it with 500 USDT. So I'll be getting this particular amount right here. Just go straight to CoinS right here again, then just make sure you go straight to spot trading right here, search for the particular cryptocurrency again, which is this one right here also. Okay, so just now just go ahead and refresh for a while and then select all the particular cryptocurrency right here. Okay, can you take a look at it right now? With 500 USDT we'll be getting 2 USDT as profit. Okay, now let's say you literally want to send it through your blockchain. Let's say you want to withdraw it. Now just go straight to asset after you have purchased it right here on your Bybit, then just go straight to this particular asset right here, then just go ahead and click on withdraw right here, then just go ahead and make sure you search for the particular token, which is MNT right here. You see it right here, then click on chain. So the best thing about this particular crypto is that the network fees right here is literally free. It is free. Okay, now all you just have to do is just for you to literally go straight to this particular cryptocurrency exchanger where you literally want to sell it out. Click on asset, click on deposit, then search for the specific cryptocurrency again, just like this. Go ahead and make sure it is on the same blockchain right here. Okay, then copy the wallet address and just go straight to this particular place right here and paste it in your Bybit just like this and select all so that you can literally withdraw all the particular token that you purchase right here straight to your CoinS and sell it so that you can literally make profit right here. Okay, so this particular method is a nice method that people are using to make money from crypto. Okay, so that particular AI tools right there that I show you right here is the secret behind all this.